right, let's get to it. Gravity is working against me, and gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, I'll never know what makes this man with all the love that heart can claim, dream away to throw it all away. Oh, gravity, it's working against me. And gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, twice as much ain't twice as good, and can't sustain what I have heard. It's wanting more that's gonna send me to my knees. Gravity, oh, twice as much and twice as good, and can't sustain like one half could. It's wanting more that's gonna send me to my knees. Oh, stay the hell away from me. Oh, gravity has taken better men than me. Keep me where the light is. Just keep me where the light is. Just keep me where the light is, the light is. Keep me where the light is. Oh, gravity, gravity, gravity. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys.
Yes. Yay.